Hello everybody. We're going to be making a health bar in UXML UIToolkit. Now all I did was add UI document with a UI controller with a UI document. So we have health bar, module, and UI controller. All we need. Now health bar is going to be simple, just two visual elements. Just drag and drop into one. I want to show you something that many people probably go ahead and open up flex and size. Now, if you look, I'm changing the height, but the height's not changing. It's just probably easy if I show you. Green's fine. There. Why is that? Well, it's because of this guy, right? Flex, grow. You turn this to 0, you're going to see it change. So I'm going to change this to 40. I'm going to change it to black. And then the bottom one is going to be green. Now we have an underlay and an overlay. This is really all you need for a health bar. Two visual elements. That's it. If you want to add a border, go ahead. I'm not going to do that. You can make it cleaner and all that. Now, on the overlay, you go to transform. Let's just don't need. If you go to scale, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be changing the scale. Now, if I put 0.5, you can go right, center, or left. We're going to do left. This is how predictable it is. If you hit 0, it will always be empty. If you always do 1, it will always be full. So you can go over, but we're going to be between 0 and 1. That's how we're going to do it. So we're going to save. Now in the module class, we're going to do system.serializable. And then we're going to have a public float current health equals 100. Public float max health equals 100. This is pretty typical. Now in UI controller, this is where we're going to bind that. So we're going to go var doc equals get component UI document var root equals dot root visual, and then root dot data source this. This just means the UI controller class. Whatever that's where we're binding it to, but then we're going to data source back equals new data source. But we haven't told it where to go. We're doing that now. Public module. So we're going to copy this. So we have the quotes. And that's it. Now we got the root to bind to the module. We're going to go back to module. But I'm going to go to health bar. On the overlay, I'm going to go to here. And you see this style scale? That's exactly where we're going to bind style scale in the module, because that's where our UI data lives. So we're going to go style scale, scale, lowercase is fine, equals new scale, new vector 2, which is what I wanted. Now, what are we going to put in here? Well, we're going to use this formula. I'm going to simplify it because I don't need minimum. But what this does is, as long as value is between or on min value and max value, it will always be 0 or 1. This is called a normalizer. So this is a very important math. It's very simple and it's very powerful. Many programs use this formula. They don't teach it for some reason, but it's pretty powerful. Okay, now if you do current health, oh, I forgot. For current health divide by max health, comma 1. Save. So I would keep this if I was you. Good for bars and other things. But for now, it's just used for this. Now, right click on scale, copy and paste that. Basically scale. We don't need that for now. I always forget to put create property to get this to work. No. Try this again. Now here's a problem. It's instant. I don't want it instant. I want a little bit of animation. Well, we can actually do that. Go back to help bar. We're gonna do transition animation. Gonna find scale, and we're gonna do 3 seconds. Ease is fine. Just by doing this, get animation. It doesn't matter if it's down or up, it's just gonna work. Now, if I do 50 here, wait for it to happen. Now watch what happens when I put 500. The reason why I went up because I put 5 first, then before. But if I do that, see it scale to go. So what's really happening is it's between 0 and 1. That's it. But I want to go a little bit further. I want to show you how versatile this thing truly can be. Background color. Remember what I said? Style color. But where you can just skip that public style color. We can go scale dot value. Scale value dot value less than 0.5. Oh. I'm going to right click with color. Actually, I'm going to change that to help color. Since And then add to bind, health color, add bind, save. And there you go. It's 5, and then we go 100, it's green. Just like how we did scale, we can animate it and have its own thing. So maybe 5 seconds is good enough. It changes slowly. Hopefully you learned something. This is it.